In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload your Canva design to Google Drive. If you've ever created a design in Canva that you want to store safely or share easily with others, uploading it to Google Drive is a straightforward process. Let's dive in and explore this step by step. First, you'll want to open Canva and sign into your account. If you're not already logged in, simply enter your email and password to access all your designs. Once you're in, browse through your projects to locate the specific design you wish to upload. When you've identified the right one, click on it to open it fully. Now that your design is open, head over to the upper right corner of your screen where you'll see a button labeled Share. Clicking on this gives you a drop-down menu with several options on how to export or share your project. For our purposes, you'll need to look for the download option, which is often symbolized by a downward arrow next to the word download. As you click on download, Canva allows you to select the file type that best suits your needs. Often, you'll have options like PNG, JPEG, or PDF. This choice depends on how you intend to use the file afterwards. If your design includes images and you're looking for high quality, PNG might be your go-to. For documents, PDFs are often quite handy. Once you've settled on a format, move on to the next stage by pressing the download button. After downloading your design to your device, whether it's a desktop or a mobile device, the next step is to open Google Drive. Go ahead and launch your browser and navigate to the Google Drive website, or you can use the mobile app if you prefer. Make sure you're signed into the correct Google account, ensuring the design is saved to the right spot. Once you're inside Google Drive, look towards the top left corner for the New button. Clicking this gives rise to a menu with various options. Go ahead and select File Upload. This action opens a dialog box prompting you to choose the file you intend to upload. Here's where you'll need to navigate to the download location on your device and select your Canva design. After selecting your design file, you'll see a progress bar at the bottom right corner of your screen. This shows the status of your upload to Google Drive. Depending on the size of your file and your internet speed, this could take a few moments. Patience here is key, but soon you'll be revisiting your drive to see the design safely stored. And there you have it. Your Canva design is now nestled in Google Drive, readily accessible for sharing, safekeeping, or future edits. Whether you're archiving a personal project or preparing to collaborate with a colleague, these steps secure your design in the vast landscape of cloud storage. Thank you for joining this guide today, and I hope you found it helpful.